guys, today we're gonna make the skin part. Now I already made another skin, that's good. Okay, he doesn't have anything, but he does. So we need to duplicate this with another message called skin 2. Okay, so add these things. When the sprite is clicked, broadcast skin 1. When flag is clicked, show. When I receive skin 1, hide. When I receive skin 2, hide. We're gonna do the exact same thing with him, but then with skin 2. Because this guy is skin 2, this is skin 1. Okay, now we need to do hide, and show, yeah, okay. And if you don't know, we need to do this. When I receive skin 1, switch to costume 2. And you need to do the coordinates where it is. Wait, we need to, this guy, goes, yeah, we're not done yet with him. But we need to do, I receive, no. It's actually skin 2, duplicate it. Yeah, I could have just done that. But okay. No, skin 1. Show. Okay. So, we go to this guy. We have the exact same thing right here. Okay. Now, it should work, I think. No. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's because you need to do this. So now, you can make your own skins. Wait, let me do this. Yeah, look. Okay, but if you choose him, look like this. Yeah, I put it in audio, you died. Don't get scared. We need to do with him, minus 120 and minus 124. The exact same thing with this guy. Oh, I forgot the minus. Minus. I can't do minus. I don't know why, but okay. Okay, wait, let me fix this. Okay guys, I fixed it finally. My keyboard was something else. Alright, let's do it. Minus, just add the minus there. Minus 124. Now, if you do this, yeah, it works now. Yay! And of course, you can do this too. Like any color you want. I want, yeah, orange is good. Then you can type choose your skin. And now just do this. Okay, that's good. But of course we need to move this guy. Wait, let's just do this. Let's move him. Let me look. Wait. Okay. Let's just do a little bit more. Little bit more. Okay, let's do the exact same thing with this guy. Let's just do this next to him. Okay, now you got it, but you need to do some coding too with this guy. You need to do when I receive skin 1, hide. and you need to do one. Duplicate it with skin 2 too. And of course, when flag is clicked, show. It's gonna be like this. Now you can choose a skin. You want this guy, or you want this guy. Well, that was it for this video. Hope you liked it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.